Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 8 smart butter alternatives for a healthier lifestyle. Looking to cut down on saturated fats or simply explore healthier options? These butter alternatives are not only nutritious but also add delicious flavor and versatility to your meals. Number 1. Avocado. Why it's smart. Loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Best use: smash it on toast, blend into smoothies, or use as a creamy base for sauces and spreads. Bonus tip: add a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon for a butter-like taste on bread. Number 2. Nut butters, almond, cashew, peanut, etc. Why it's smart. Rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamin E and magnesium. Best use: spread on whole grain toast, drizzle over oatmeal, or blend into shakes. Watch for: choose natural nut butters with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. Number 3. Olive oil. Why it's smart. Packed with anti-inflammatory compounds and monounsaturated fats that support heart health. Best use: cook veggies, drizzle over bread, or use as a base for dressings and marinades. Pro tip: use extra virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits and flavor. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Why it's smart. High in protein, calcium, and probiotics that support gut health. Best use: use in baking instead of butter, or add to mashed potatoes for creaminess without the fat. Flavor boost: add herbs and garlic to make a savory spread or dip. Number 5. Coconut oil. Why it's smart. Contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which may help with energy and metabolism. Best use: great for baking, sautéing, or spreading on toast with a bit of honey. Note: use in moderation due to its high saturated fat content. Number 6. Hummus. Why it's smart. A creamy, plant-based spread made from chickpeas, tahini, and olive oil, rich in fiber and protein. Best use: use as a sandwich spread, toast topper, or veggie dip. Varieties: try beet, roasted red pepper, or garlic hummus for extra flavor. Number 7. Mashed banana. Why it's smart. A naturally sweet, fat-free option rich in potassium and vitamin B6. Best use: perfect for baking muffins, pancakes, or brownies as a butter substitute. Ratio: use half a cup mashed banana for every 1 cup of butter in baking. Number 8. Pumpkin puree. Why it's smart. Low in calories and high in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and antioxidants. Best use: use in baked goods, soups, or as a creamy toast spread with cinnamon. Fall favorite: mix with a dash of maple syrup and nutmeg for a healthy butter-like spread.